Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my channel's name is Queen Chai Style and I'm Chaitra. So my today's video is going to be all about basic knowledge on a primer. So this is very important for you to know the basic things about your makeup. So I thought ki one by one let me start up and give you a explanation of our face makeup. So this is the one of them, and this is makeup primer, which is very much important for you to apply on your base. So I'll just tell you all about it detailedly. So I hope I would clear all your questions like why about the primer, and if you want to know about it then keep on watching. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the red color button over there and also bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I post my new videos. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first question is, do I have to use a primer before my makeup? Is that required? So the answer is yes guys, you will have to use a primer before you apply any kind of a makeup. So this does not considered as a makeup, but yes, it does considers. So I would like to give you an example of if you're constructing a house, then obviously the first thing we'll be keeping is that the brick. So over the brick, to cover up all the holes and all, you're going to apply a cement. I don't know much about it, but still just a common things I'm saying you. So you will apply a cement, and on top of the cement you'll be applying the white cement, I guess, to cover up the cement color, I guess. So after that you will be applying a paint or the designs of paint and different types of paint. So the same way our skin is the brick. For example guys, do not give any bad comments for this. So this is a brick. On the brick you're going to apply a primer. As I told you that this is going to cover up your first layer of your skin, and on top of it you're applying a white cement. जैसा कि मैं बताई थी, तो वो white cement is your concealer. Actually concealer मतलब orange corrector, green corrector. So these correctors are going to have that one layer. So after that you're going to apply a foundation. तो foundation हुआ painting. So after you having a proper painting on your house, then only you'll start applying the designs. Matlab you'll make a beautiful wall by the design. So the designs are considered as your blush, lipstick, eyeshadow, mascara, eyebrow powder. All these are considered as a paint. I guess you guys would understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So primer, coming back to the foundation and the primer, the face makeup. So guys, it's just the same way that you will have to apply a primer. It is must and should to apply a primer. So the next question is, what is the formula available in the primer? You get the primer in gel based, cream based and also in a powder based. Yes, you do have 3 bases of primers. And the gel based is mostly gel and the cream based is mostly popular. Powder I don't think most of you are used, but yes, it does have a powder form too. So the gel based and the cream based is almost the insane. So the many primers have been used as a silicone based to have that ultra soft finish on your skin texture. So these are the formulas which has been used, but the ingredients, it depends on the products and it depends on the companies. So it just depends on. So the next question you'll have, like, what does the primer does to your skin? Primer creates an extra layer to your between your foundation and to your skin. So the primer is not getting into your pores, and it is also going to minimize your pores, visible pores like extra large pores or small pores or whatever pores you have. It just covers up, it gives you a matte, means like primer is not going to give a solution for your pores, but still it's just going to give you a layer. Like foundation or pollution or any kind of a dust shouldn't get into your skin, so that's just going to give you a base onto your skin. Moreover, the primer is going to give you a long lasting for your foundation. That's because you will have a layer which is silicone based, or the primer does it like, if you have an oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, it's just going to hold up your oil or whatever dust, and it's just going to last for a longer time for your foundation. If you apply a direct foundation to your face, after some time maybe it gets darker, as you guys know. Darker in the sense not only because of primer, it also happens because of many other reasons, which I'll be talking on my foundation basic knowledge. If you guys would like to watch that also, then please let me know in the comment section. I would love to do these kind of sections like basic knowledge जो मुझे पता है मैं आपके साथ share करना पसंद करूँगी. Okay, so the next question will be like, can any skin type use the primer? And the answer is yes guys, every skin types have to use a primer. जैसे कि I'm just telling you from the longer time what does it does, and obviously it's just a good thing that whatever it does to our skin, like having the makeup long lasting and not letting the foundation and the pollution to get inside your pores and spoil your, damage your skin. So these are the good things and the benefit things for your skin to use, and many of them quit using it, and that is the only reason I'm talking about it. And also I have an example and the experience I will also let you know in further, like abhi bataungi. So the next question is like, can any of the skin type use? Then yes, of course anyone can be used, but if your skin is dry or normal, uske liye you have a different primer. But the oily skin people has a different primer, because the oily skin is like the sweat glands are very much active, like frequently it's active, so you will not have to apply the normal primer, so you will have to look into a oil based primer so that you will have actually a long lasting makeup. If you use the dry and the normal wala primer, then obviously it's not going to stay for at least 2 to 3 hours bhi nahi stay karega. So that is the reason you will have to go into a oil based primer. And moreover, I will also include a point over here saying that any acne people watching this video over here, and if you try up with any primer, do check up once with the ingredients present in that, because acne is something which is very much sensitive on your skin, and any product you use, it's obviously like a chemical based, like chemical in the sense none of them are making like natural things over here. Everyone are going to use some or the other chemical, and that is going to apply, that's going to damage some or the other way to your skin. And normal skin people will have no problem. I have a very dry skin, so mine is not at all a normal skin too. So yeah, combination or any skin type, oil जो यहाँ पे T-zone पे oil वाला ज़्यादा you have the oil sensation over here more, then you will have to go for an oil based primer. So I was just talking about the acne. So before you get into a proper primer, do check the ingredients. Many primers have a silicone based primer, so you will have a lot of paraben and sulfate in that. So it would be good if you search for a paraben and sulfate free wala primer, so that would be better for your skin. And before you test into your skin, take a patch test always. Before you apply any kind of a cream or anything to your face, have a patch test and then get into your skin directly onto your face. So guys, I hope I cleared some of these points to you, and if you have any kind of a question more on these like primer, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to give you back a message. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe once, and also do check out my Instagram and Facebook links too, so that I'm even more active in my Instagram and Facebook too. I would have any kind of a question and let me know in the comment section here. So yeah guys, I hope I completed all the questions that you had. If not, I don't know. I think I've completed. So the last question is like how to apply. I will obviously show. मेरे skin पे कुछ भी नहीं है. That is how you can see the dark circles and all. I have just applied a lipstick, mascara, थोड़ा बहुत lipstick का shade. I applied it on my eyelid and defined eyebrows. Apart from this, I have nothing on my skin. I just applied a moisturizer. So now we'll be applying a primer and yeah. Okay, so to apply a primer you can use, okay, I'm not going to say which primer I'm going to use for today. I'm not going to give you any kind of a product reference. Maybe आपको पता ही चल गया होगा. Yeah, so I'm just going to give you a basic knowledge. So take a primer and squeeze it onto your back side of your hand, because अगर आपकी palms पे oil है, if you have a oily skin then this part of your palms also is going to be oily, and the same oil again you're going to apply it on your face, which is the worst thing ever. So take it over here, like you can take how much ever you want, and as you can see I've just taken a teensy minzy amount of the primer. Okay, so the next thing is like you can use this in this brush, which is the common brush, guys. This is just a common brush to apply a foundation, or you can use a primer onto your face. It's just a common brush, and also you can use a sponge. It's totally up to you. It depends on you which you are comfortable in applying, but I don't like applying the primer in a sponge beauty blender. So I would like to apply it in the brush, or I am directly going into my fingers, which I am very dry. The parts where you'll have to apply is directly onto your T-zone. So the oily skin people, I'm again telling you that if you have a very bad oil onto your nose area, obviously we are going to apply it on our T-zone. So T-zone is going to be oily if you have a very oily skin, not if you even have a normal skin, but still this part of your face will get oiled up, and after 2-3 hours your foundation will start up to wash out from here. So that is going to again stay a patch over here. And for the dry skin people, this is a good thing for you, like this is an add up for you. If you apply a primer, this is going to give you a layer, and the dry skin people will obviously face patches, white patches over here and all. So that's going to hide by this. So I have applied it, and now I'm just going to spread it outwards. So as I showed you, I'm just applying it into my T-zone and spreading it outwards. Primer, even you have a primer for your eyelid, which is different one, but this is the face primer. Okay, so I'm done applying this. Now we'll be applying a foundation, and for foundation I'll be using a foundation. I'll apply one side and I'll just show you the difference. Okay, after applying one side of foundation, I don't think frequently you'll catch up whether this is how is this and how is this not. So I actually should have been applied only one side, but guys, you will not get to know, उतना difference नहीं आएगा. And guys, the example what I was about to say was being not recorded, so I'll be giving a voiceover, so keep on watching. One of my colleague does a bridal makeup, so I just asked her like what's the price and what are the products that you use, and guess what? The first thing that she said me is that she's going to charge 10 to 15k, and I asked her what are the products and what are the steps do you use. So she first started up with the moisturizer, and then straight away she went to the foundation. When I asked her why you didn't use a primer, she said उसके लिए अलग से charge हो जाएगा, मतलब For primer, only oily skin I apply primer, and uske liye I'm going to charge more price. This is what is happening, guys, if you have no knowledge about it. Just look at the difference after applying foundation. This was just a one layer of foundation. If I apply a concealer or if I double coat the foundation onto this side, you'll have a perfect clear skin. And also, as you can see here, I have a little bit of illuminating wala feel, though I haven't used a foundation which is illuminating. I've just used a normal foundation, and as you can see, my skin, this is the real skin of mine. So foundation makes so beautiful, and without foundation is also beautiful, but still the coverage I'm talking about. And this looks so beautiful, guys. Okay, so let me put on to the another side. Just imagine, guys, if you have no knowledge about it, then this is what is going to happen. People just try to cheat you up, and moreover, this is your skin. You will have to take care of your skin, and applying primer is must and should. But she doesn't have any kind of knowledge, and I don't know if people are also not asking any kind of a question. If you are hiring any beautician, guys, do ask her the products, why you're using this, why is this happening, and why is that product being used. So you have to ask questions. Do not just keep quiet, because it's end of the day your skin. If they are charging you so much, then the products also should be the best. Don't you agree? So yeah, guys, I have applied a foundation onto my face, which has my dark circles is still seen badly. So yeah, guys, I hope I cleared all your questions. And do not skip using the primer on before your foundation. It's also going to keep your skin clean and clear as well. So I hope you guys liked it, and agar aapko, if you like this video, hit the like button over there, and also let me know your comments below. And also, guys, share it with your friends so that it will be useful to them also. And what video do you want the next? Please let me know, so that I would love to do it, guys, as you guys know. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next best video. Till then, stay tuned and stay blessed.